Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, you will get answer to an important interview question. What are different types of threads in Java? In the last episode, we learned the concept of multitasking, multiprocessing, multithreading with some very interesting use cases. This is second part of the tutorial series on multithreading in Java. I hope you have watched my operating system tutorial where I have explained the role of scheduler in achieving multitasking. Scheduler implements strategies like time slicing and preempting. Every runnable process is allocated with a platform thread which is known as native thread. Now let us zoom into Java application process. In the context of Java, the native threads are known as OS thread. In the RAM, the Java process is actually allocated to JVM, which runs Java application inside a sandbox. JVM creates several threads which are mapped to the OS thread. The JVM thread which runs outside the application are called system threads. And the JVM thread which executes main method is called main thread. One of the examples of system thread is JIT or just-in-time compiler thread. This plays a crucial role in optimizing the performance of Java application during runtime. The Java bytecodes are interpreted during runtime, which is a slow process because it first converts every instruction to machine code and then in second step it executes them. However, JIT dynamically translates frequently executed Java bytecode into highly optimized native machine code. Thus, the execution is done in a single step. Another example of system thread is garbage collector. GC reclaims the memory of objects which are no longer referenced by any part of the application. However, if that object's class has overridden the finalize method from object class, then the GC cannot immediately reclaim its memory. Instead, it places that object into a special queue called finalization queue. The finalizer thread continuously polls this queue. When it finds an object in the queue, it takes that object and executes its finalize method. Only after that, the object's memory can finally be reclaimed by garbage collector in subsequent cycle. Now let us understand the threads inside Java application which are user-defined threads. The main thread is the first thread for which the programmers can code application logic. The main thread can spawn more threads. They are child threads. The threads can also be marked as Daemon thread. Let's understand with an example. You must have seen text editors like Word showing spelling and grammatical errors in real time. This is possible because of a Daemon thread which keeps on checking grammar. This runs in background to the task like responding to the keystrokes and rendering text and graphics on screen. The Daemon threads are low priority background threads. Now let's understand some more differences between normal thread and a Daemon thread. Normally, JVM would exit only when main thread and all other normal threads complete their execution. However, JVM does not wait for completion of Daemon threads, which also means while coding, programmers need to keep in mind that the Daemon threads may abruptly terminate anytime. The purpose of normal user thread is to execute core logic of the application, whereas the Daemon threads provide background support and services to the user threads. Most of the system threads like garbage collector, finalizer, JIT compiler are Daemon threads. By default, any thread we create as a programmer is a user thread, whereas a thread must be set to daemon by calling thread.setDaemon true before calling its start method. Please note that child thread would inherit the nature of parent thread, meaning child thread created by daemon will be a daemon by default.
Let us summarize various types of threads. First, based on the origin, there are user threads written in the application code, while system threads are written in JVM. Interestingly, main thread is on the intersection because it is JVM thread that executes user-defined logic from the main method. Next, based on the creator, they are called parent and child threads. Based on the behavior, a thread can be a low-priority background thread called daemon thread. Based on the location and platform, they are application threads, JVM threads, and OS threads.
Here is the next interview question.
What are green threads? Explain various multi-threading models in Java with their architecture.
I will discuss this in next episode.
Please subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Thank you for watching.